Hi everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to my editing room. This is where I'm usually hiding every night, editing these videos, and then you see them pop up on YouTube and watch them. I just want to say a big thank you to all the new subscribers that have come across the channel. Much appreciated, guys, and all the comments. We've got some really cool stuff coming up on the channel. I'm starting a a Harley Davidson. Then there's a Lambretta, so there's some good stuff coming up. There's a load more airbrushing, loads more tips, tricks, airbrush reviews. It's all gonna be on the channel, but tonight's video is all about the thumbnail. Now it says airbrushing at the top of the signpost, then you work your way down. We've got help, assistance, support, tips, guidance and advice. Now I'm putting this video up tonight and you can jump on the comments. This is going to be a specific comment video where you can come across if you need any help, guidance, advice, support with your airbrushing, custom painting, you got troubles with your airbrush, your paint, things like that, all paint related and airbrush related. You can come across to this video, jump on the comments, and I'll be on the comments Monday to Friday between 6 PM and 10 PM specifically on this video. If you need any help with anything, we can get into conversation, chat, and I'll give you as much guidance and support as I can. It's just another way of interacting with all you subscribers that are coming across. If you need any help, there's nothing worse than hunting through YouTube trying to find these certain videos to get these like tips, guidance and help, when you can just come straight over to one video, click on this one, jump on the comments, and you know you've got that support between 6 and 10 Monday to Friday every night in the week. So we're going to give this one a go, see how we get on. Hopefully it'll be good, and hopefully you'll come across and we'll get chatting, and we'll take it from there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, drop us a thumbs up, guys, and I will see you in the comments. Cheers.